Welcome viewers, I welcome you all to Jagruti channel once again. As a student, we know that we all are busy in our own world, but there are some few people who study and along with that, they're doing something or the other for the society, and that is really essential. So today with us we have Ankita, and she is from Jammu, and she is doing amazing work through her organization Sharwa Foundation. So let's welcome today Ankita. Ankita, welcome to Jagruti channel. We are really happy to see you
Thank
here.
you. Thank you.
So Ankita, firstly we would love to know about you, what exactly you do, and how this journey started.
So I'm currently from Jammu and Kashmir, but I'm pursuing my graduation from Pune and I'm in my final year. I was, always fascinated about social working and I was always inclined towards social work. So there was a serial, I don't remember its name now, but my mom used to watch it. And at that time, I learned from that serial that NGO exists. So at that time only I made up my mind that I have to start it, but I never got a chance. And I have worked with a lot of foundations. Even in Pune, I was working with Yug Foundation. But then during COVID, I really got an opportunity and I started Sharwa Foundation last year only.
That's amazing. So, viewers, as we all can learn from her, that she got inspired from a TV serial and she felt that, okay, NGOs do exist and even we should do something for our society. So, actually, Ankita, as you said, that you have registered your organization. So, what exactly you do?
So we have registered it as a trust and our society registration is going on. So it's a general foundation and we are trying to work in every aspect. And we started with the food distribution drive and sanitary distribution drive for women. But now we have also started with awareness sessions and we are also working with transgenders to uplift them. And we are giving awareness sessions that people are really treating them in a very bad way. So we are trying to collaborate with different transgenders and different people so that we can make some awareness, some change.
So, Ankita, as you said that you're working with transgender and there are really a lot of issues related to that and they are isolated in various aspects. So, can you please
Right.
share that what are your own experiences when you work with this group?
See, to be honest, I don't remember her name, but when we worked with them, they are. To be honest, there's no difference, and they are too intelligent. The only problem is what I came to know ki they don't get jobs easily. So we are trying that people should give them jobs, and even in MNCs they should get job. We have a girl named Suhana and she started giving them jobs, so that was really good for us that we were able to change a person, and these small changes can affect a lot of people in future.
Oh, so that's really amazing, Ankita, that you are working for upliftment of that group, and it's really essential. Apart from that, as you said, that you are running a sanitary pad drive, right? So, can you tell us that what exactly that is?
So the name of our campaign is Give Her Wings to Fly, and we give awareness session about how to use sanitary pads. And we also came to know that a lot of people don't know about sanitary products, and they are still using cotton stuff. So we are just trying to give them awareness, and then we distribute 6 months or yearly stock to them. And once they'll get to know about it, I'm sure that वो फिर खुद से लेने लग जाएंगे, and we don't have to teach them always.
So, Ankita, we would like to hear your experiences as you are in Jammu. तो फिर वहाँ पे कैसे experiences हैं आपके? Some different from Pune or is it the same?
No, Jammu mein poverty is very less as compared to other states. So here we usually don't go for roadside distributions. We usually prefer to distribute in slums or in old age homes or in orphanages. But in Pune, we are usually inclined towards roadside slums, or there's chota chota sa juggies on the roads. So they are facing a lot of problem in Pune.
And while actually working and doing so much of work, what are the challenges which you face?
The main challenges of volunteers, because we all are youth, maximum we have youth people. So we really want to encourage a lot of college students that you should come forward and you should help us in volunteering. And not only volunteering, if you know someone whom we can help, we are always happy to help.
So Ankita, now do you have a team? Like, how exactly you work?
I have a team of 10 people and I have more than 150 volunteers. So we have a separate team in Pune and Jammu. So they go on verification, and then after they have filled all the forms, then only we go, because we have to show our donors that where their donations are going.
Okay, amazing. That's amazing, Ankita. So now this is the platform where so many people are watching your video. So what message you would like to give our audience?
I would just like to say one small thing, that there is nothing that monetary donation can do. People can always donate in kind, that it's not necessary that you have to donate something to NGOs only. You can yourself help a person. It's not possible that there's no needy around you. So we can just help one single person from our end, and I guess that would really help a lot.
Wow. So viewers, that is really amazing. As Ankita has said, that we can help. If we are willing to help someone, we can help. You can come forward. You can help Ankita in her work. She's doing amazing work in Pune and Jammu. And as we all know, that social work is not a one person's job. It's not easy. If we all come together, we can definitely make a big difference. So let's come ahead and help Ankita, so she can do fantastic work. She can reach out to more people, and she can help a lot of by her volunteers and with the help of a team. So Ankita, we are glad that you came here. You gave your valuable time. As a student, we know that there's so much to do, and apart from that, you are doing your social work as well. And best wishes for your journey, and definitely we all are going to be with you.
Thank you so much, Mona. This really means a lot, and I would really like to thank you and your team, because you guys are giving us a platform.
Welcome, and thank you to you, because you all are doing amazing work which is required and it's need of the hour. So thank you once again, Ankita. And viewers, you are going to get all the details of Ankita in the description section. Go ahead and help her in any form. As she said, that you can help in monetary form or in kind, or you can share your knowledge with her. Whatever is with you, you can come ahead and you can help her. And thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you, Mona. Have a nice day.
You too.